Hey everybody, Beth with elliTek here. I'm the marketing manager, and I'm here today with Tyler Price, elliTek's field sales engineer for the Athens, Chattanooga, and Cleveland area. And Tyler is celebrating his first year anniversary with us. Welcome, Tyler.
Thank you.
And congratulations.
Thank you again. Just very fortunate and blessed to be a part of the elliTek family.
Yeah, we're glad you're here. So Tyler, how would you describe your first year as a field sales engineer for elliTek in one word?
Blessed.
Oh, yes, extremely. We all are.
Okay.
Yes. So Tyler, what was the biggest learning curve for you?
Learning each one of our products and their functions and how they are applicable to our customer base and the verbiage of each one of those products.
Yeah. There's a lot to learn, and we've got some great lines with a lot of product.
Yes.
What surprised you the most about this role versus what you expected?
I thought I would love this role, but I didn't realize just how much I love this role and how it definitely does not even feel like a job. And it's a job and something I could see myself doing forever and ever. It's that enjoyable.
Oh, that's amazing. I love it. Yeah. We can tell in the way you present yourself and just your joy that you have.
It is a lot of fun, and it surpasses anything I thought it could be, and it is definitely very fun at times and exciting at times, and it's not even a job, honestly.
So what was your most rewarding customer interaction that you've had?
I can't say I
so
have I can't say I have one exciting specific interaction, but I can say that each interaction is unique and different, and each and every day could be going to see a food product to go and see wastewater. It is filled with all kinds of new adventures and seeing so many things I didn't even think I could see, and that's what's been exciting about it.
The world of manufacturing is very exciting. I don't think kids these days could appreciate it as much.
No, it's definitely been eye-opening in a lot of ways to see how things are made that we use on a daily basis.
It's amazing that shampoo, the things that go into shampoo and and what they do with the wastewater so we can have clean water.
It has all been very neat to see and exciting to see, and each day again it could be to one extreme to the other as the things that I get to see on a daily basis.
We're almost done here. I just have a couple more questions, and then I'll let you get on with what you're supposed to really be doing.
Okay.
So what advice would you give someone who is considering a position as a field sales engineer?
Never overpromise anything to your customer that you know you can't fulfill. And listen to every word that they say, because they give you helpful clues and hints to best serve and help them with whatever they're going through at the time that you were there with them.
Yeah, God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth, and there's a reason for that, isn't there?
You listen very carefully, and you can pick up on anything and everything that they might need help with that you could potentially be a service to.
Nice. Last question, Tyler.
Okay.
What are you looking forward to most this year?
Seeing the new places that I come across and the new customers that I meet. Being the field sales engineer for the Athens, Cleveland, Chattanooga region has been starting and growing from ground zero. And so each person I come in contact with is a new face and a new person to elliTek. And so it's exciting to start that journey together and know they have confidence in elliTek and myself. And this new year should bring a lot of that our way.
Nice. Well, we're so glad you're here, Tyler. Do you have any other words you'd like to share with people?
if you need any assistance in the Cleveland, Chattanooga, Athens region, I'm glad and willing to assist in any way and bring elliTek experience to you in any way possible.
That's right. I will put Tyler's link to his LinkedIn profile in the show in the description,
Yes.
and please introduce yourself with Tyler, and he'll be your friend for life. I can tell you that.
Yes, definitely. We'll definitely get along. I promise.
All right. Thank you for your time, Tyler.
Thank you.
And you guys, if you want to learn more about elliTek, it's www.ellitek.com. That's ELLITEK.com. Or you can give us a call at 865-409-1555. Thank you so much for watching the second episode of Beyond Automation. Meet the team. Tyler Price.